My name is Ben Thompson, landscape team leader with A+ Lawn and Landscape. Now I'm going to give you some tips on pruning. Most green shrubs, your evergreens, your boxwoods, or even like this dogwood behind us, you prune just to shape, essentially. If you want it square, if you want it round, always remember to start with taking a little bit off at a time. It's like cutting hair. You can always take more off, but after a couple of years, it gets hard to put back on. Trees, I generally limb up to about 8 feet. And again, everything's got a purpose. We limb them up to 8 feet so that as you're mowing, you don't bonk your head, ever. Anytime you get branches that are crossing each other, rubbing on each other, those are a good candidate to get rid of. What that does is it'll end up scratching off the bark and making your tree more susceptible to disease. That bark is like its skin. So yeah, anytime you see rubbing, get rid of it. And then any suckers or volunteers that are growing around the base, they can be lost.